Back to the channel. So today we're talking about something that could literally change your financial future. Investing into the stock market. Now, before you tune out, I promise, this isn't going to be full of that confusing financial lingo. No, I'm going to break it down in a simple, easy to digest language, like we're just having a conversation over coffee. And I'll share with you my own story and how I used the chaos of COVID to buy great businesses for cheap, and why right now could be your opportunity to do the same. So let's jump in. Now let me take you back to 2020. The world was shut down. Everyone felt the pressure. Markets were crashing. Fear was everywhere. But whilst most people were panic selling, I was buying. Why? Ash, why were you buying? Because I saw solid companies, these businesses we all love and use, were trading at garage sale prices. Apple, Disney, Amazon, they were all on clearance. Now imagine you walk into a luxury store and everything is 70, 80% off. That's what the market felt like. Now, was it scary? Sure, of course. But making that move, that one single decision is probably the best one I've made ever in this game. And I'm telling you, we're seeing similar opportunities right now. So today, all the headlines are filled with inflation talk, interest rates, layoffs, all this uncertainty. Now, a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines, just waiting. But here's the truth, and I'll be real with you. There is no perfect time. Now, the best investors, they plant seeds during a storm. Now, right now, solid companies are down right now. Not because they're failing, not because they're crumbling empires, but because the market is scared. And fear creates discounts. Just like during COVID, the door is open if you're paying attention. So how do I get into this game? How do I get started, Ash? Now here's a 3-step game plan. Step 1, start with what you know. Look around your life. What apps do you use daily? What products do you love? Now the chances are those companies are publicly traded. Now step 2, you always have to think long term. This isn't about flipping stocks like sneakers. You're buying a piece of a business. Now, would you open a coffee shop and try sell it next week? No way. So the same mindset applies here. And lastly, step 3, use simple tools. Apps like Trading 212, Fidelity. Make it super easy. You don't need a finance degree in this game. You just need some curiosity and some consistency. Start small. Even £20 can get you in this game. It can get you started. From there, we can work to build. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. What about real estate? Now, real estate can be great, but for beginners, it's a high wall to climb. I'm just going to be real. You need a down payment for one, a decent credit score on top of that, and let's not forget about all those tenants, those toilets, and those boilers that need fixing. With stocks, they're like you're owning a piece of a skyscraper without having to fix any of the plumbing. That gives them flexibility. Like I said, you can start very small and they're liquid, meaning if life starts life, you're not locked in for 30 years. Real estate is more of a cruise ship. It's slow, it's stable, but it's hard to steer. Now, stocks are like speedboats, nimble, fast, easy to get started with. So look guys, here's my question to you. Will you look back in 3 years and say, I wish I'd started back then? Or will you look back and say, that's when everything changed? Now listen, I'm not here today to tell you what to buy or when to buy it. But I am saying, please don't sleep on this moment. Don't let these opportunities keep passing you. Now look, I took action during COVID, and I'm telling you, it paid off. Now you have a chance to do the same thing right now. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know it all. You just need to start. If this video gave you any value, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you investing right now? Or are you still on the fence? But either way, look, I've got more content coming to help you keep growing your money and your mindset, and let's build together towards that freedom goal. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.